So we have a new AI tool for you which can create amazing cinematic AI films with just textual prompts. So I'm talking about LTX Studio, which offers you a complete studio setup to create amazing voice-over AI cinematic films that you haven't seen before. So yeah, this is Usman from Skill Curve, and let's jump right into this video. Alright guys, so here I am in the homepage of LTX Studio. So right off the bat, you guys can see saying storytelling transforms. So now you can control every aspect of your video using AI, from ideation to final edits on a holistic platform. So through LTX Studio, you can now create AI films. You can now create storytelling videos just with the help of textual prompts, and you can customize that just the way you like. So for accessing that, if you are new to LTX Studio, you need to go ahead and click on join the waitlist, and after some days, you'll get a confirmation email that you have been given access to LTX Studio. So I've already got that, so I'm gonna sign in with my Google account real quickly. Alright, so after you're signed in, so this will basically be the interface of LTX Studio, where we basically get three options. So first of all, you can create your story. Like you can instantly turn your idea or simple prompt to a fully realized video. Next, you can visualize your concept. Like you can input your script or a synopsis to watch it to come as live as you write it, okay? And the third one, you can either start from scratch as well. So I basically created one project through LTX Studio, which I wanted to share with you guys. So here you guys can see this is the kind of interface you get with LTX Studio. So we have scenes right over here. So this is our scene 1. Then he has scene 2, scene 3, scene 4. So in this way, you're just gonna go ahead and input your prompt step by step, and it's gonna create the scenes for you. Like it's gonna go ahead and create videos for you with the frames in it, with the transition, with the voiceover and the background music. Like it's all gonna do it itself with the help of AI, which makes it a really amazing tool for AI storytelling or cinematic films, all right? So yeah, now let's just go ahead and test out the first create a story feature. So I'm going to click on write a prompt. So this will basically be a step-by-step guide on creating your AI story film. So yeah, first one is writing what is your film idea or synopsis. So this film is about. So you can either write over here the story of your whole film, or you can select from here, which will keep on giving you random ideas to get you started, okay? So let's just say I'm very much liking this War Bound, a story of survival and friendship between soldiers from opposite sides, stranded in a no man's land, okay? So after that, I'm going to click on next. Alright, so after that, it's going to give me a bunch of options right over here where I can customize my project. So first of all, I can customize my project name. So no man's land right now is looking absolutely perfect. Then you can choose between aspect ratio, which is 16:9, 1:1, and 9:16. Since I'm creating a cinematic AI storytelling film, so I'm going to select 16:9. Then you can choose your video style as well. Like you can choose between cinematics, anime, comic book, analog film, fantasy art, 3D model, and all those things. Cyberpunk, like there are literally tons of video style options right over here. You guys can see I selected anime, and it has changed that into my anime storytelling film. So for now, I'm going to select cinematic because I think I want to create some kind of a realistic video. So in the next example, we're going to change it a little bit. Then you can input image to do style reference in LTX Studio as well, which is really, really good. Let's just say you have a picture of some kind of a war, right? And you want that style in your whole storytelling, in your whole cinematic film. So you can input that as well really easily. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and do it just like that. And then you can type in your cinematic inspiration, like you can retro, gritty. But I think for now, the scene, the vibe it is taken looks really, really good. Then we have our story overview. So it's saying in the midst of World War I, British soldier Tom and German soldier hands from an unlikely truce when stranded in no man's land. So this is our story overview. Then we have the option of cast over here. So here we have two characters. First one, we have Tom Johnson. Then we have Hans Muller. So over here, if you want to add more characters, you can add as well. You can write your character name, its age, essence. So you can see like how much of customization we get with LTX Studio. It's just like, you are in some studio, you're creating your own film, and you have like all the features, all the customization that you can do to create one, okay? All right, so I think for now it's good. Let's just go ahead and click on start. All right, so here we go, guys. So now we have a complete homepage of all the scenes. We got 4 scenes right over here. So first of all, you can see we can read between the scenes of Tom and Hans. Cautiously eye catch other in the barren expanse of no man's land. So where you guys can see we have 4 videos for this particular scene. Then the next one, we have scene 2, Tom and Hans huddle together, seeking shelter from an approaching storm in a makeshift trench, okay? So this is our 4 other clips for our scene 2, then we have scene 3, and then we have scene 4. But for now, you guys can see the scenes we get are just images. So it's clearly showing that you can generate video with these scenes. So with just one click, it's gonna go ahead and give motion to our images in just few seconds, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and generate video for all of my images right over here. All right, so just like that, our videos are created from our scenes. So if you go ahead and explore a bit more into that, so you can obviously edit between your scene. You can add your location, lighting, weather. You can go ahead and choose sound from here as well. You can add scene sound. Like there are lots of tons of options. And if you go ahead and see in between scenes over here, you can add shot as well. So let's just say if you're not okay with any of the shots, so you can add your own as well. Edit that, input your prompt, shot type, sound effects, like just the way you want, okay? So I'm gonna delete that for a moment. And in that, you guys can see, you can go ahead and input your prompt. You can refresh that to input your own prompt. Like you can choose between your shot type, which can be any of that from here. And then you can add your own sound effects as well. But according to my testing, the default one that this LTX Studio produces that with the help of AI was really accurate. So I'm going to go ahead and do it as default. So now all of my scenes are ready. So I'm not going to go ahead and waste any more time. Click on this export button right over here. So it's giving me 3 more options. You can pitch deck, like you can presentation format of your storyboard. You can go ahead and edit that more in your like any project asset, which can be Premiere Pro or any other editing tool, or you can edit MP4 video of all these generation, like a complete story film. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So it's preparing my download. All right, guys, so our video is done and exported successfully, and this is how our video looks now. Take a look at this.
War had cast us as enemies, but in the desolation of no man's land, we found unlikely companionship. Together, we braved the storm, shared our fears, and defied the divide that tore our world apart. As our armies clashed, we chose to stand by each other, a testament to the enduring power of human connection amidst the brutality of conflict. In the end, we emerged as brothers, our bond transcending the chaos of war.
Like, wow, wasn't this amazing, guys, right? Like, obviously, we had a bit of a clarity issues into that, but other than that, the detailing, the storytelling, and the background music, everything was top notch, right, you guys? But obviously, if you're not okay with any of these things, like if you're not okay with the voiceover, the sound effect, the background music, you can always edit that according to your taste. Like, this is a complete studio for you guys, okay? If you are not okay with any one of these small things, you can obviously edit those and you can customize those according to your taste. All right, guys? Okay, guys, now let's just go ahead and create another story, like visualize another story with our second option in LTX Studio, which was input your ideas. So I'm going to click on that. So now it's saying you can go ahead and input anything from a full script, a few scenes, or a story, or you can upload your TXT file right over here, right? So I'm going to go ahead and upload my text, which I obviously created from ChatGPT. So this is basically a short story about a unique anime film. So I'm going to go ahead and copy all of this story, come to my LTX Studio and paste it right over here, all right? Then I'm going to click on next from here. So then it's going to move me to setting and cast. So now I'm going to go ahead and play around with the settings over here. And I can choose my cast, of course. So first of all, project name, I think this one looks good. Then the aspect ratio, I'm going to do 16:9 once again. And video style, I'm going to choose anime this time. And then in the style reference, you can upload your image over here for your style reference. So I'm going to go ahead and do that real quickly. So I uploaded a very beautiful picture of this anime world right over here. And then after that, it's going to go ahead and create my characters according to that. You guys can see this one now looks really good. But I want to go ahead and choose my style reference intensity a bit low because it's having too much, intensity into those characters right over here, right? So I'm gonna do it in a mid. Okay, now this looks much better. Then is you can go ahead and choose your cinematic inspiration. I'm gonna leave it like that. And then for the cast, I think 4 casts are pretty much more than enough. Now let's go ahead and click on next. All right, then we have the breakdown option of our synopsis. So first of all, it's giving me the whole summary, like in the hidden village of Okigara, Yuna, a girl with a rare ability to hear the whispers of ancient sakura trees and all this information. Then he has scenes right over here. So we have 5 scenes. Okay, you can go ahead and edit those scenes according to your liking. So I'm going to click on start from here. All right, so then it will direct me to this storyboard homepage where we have all the scene settings, all the scenes right over here. And the images are ready. So if you want to go ahead and convert all these images into videos with just one click. So I got a new option right over here. You can click on export. So it's saying you have 19 static shots, generate missing shots. So I'm going to click on that. It will generate 19 videos for me with just one click. So you need to go ahead and wait for that, all right? All right, and just like that, all videos are created, okay? So yeah, just like before, you can go ahead and edit that according to your taste, but I really like how LTX Studio do it as default. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it just like that. And after that, I'm gonna click on export, click on video MP4, and wait for it to download my video, okay? All right, and just like that, our video is downloaded. So let's just go ahead and take a look at the video. Absolutely beautiful, right, you guys? So there you go, guys. This was the exploration of a very fascinating cinematic AI video generator that does all your tasks with just simple prompts. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.